So we're in room 688. So let's do a quick tour. So of course, you need your key card in there if you want the lights to stay on.
Well, we're gonna spend a cruise together, a week together, and I'll be here every day.
Hey.
The highlights of the day. There's no better way to start your cruise.
So, restroom. Just standard size. But I will say, the shower is bigger. Little desk for your makeup. There's a little. A bit of drawer space. More drawers. Little fridge.
This with your entertainment team is one of our nighttime activities. For all my big singers,
Little closet.
night adult karaoke in the spotlight karaoke.
There's your safe. Some more drawers. And then, of course, the couch. And it is, yes, a let-out couch. And here's the second closet. No drawer space in the second closet, but still it's a nice size.
For you today, we got a really busy evening. We're going to start off with our ice skating show. The ice skating spectacular 365.
Little light, a little space right there.
On deck number 4. Comedy tonight starring Rocky Osborne and Steve McGraw will be happening for you.
Little charging port.
And
then
we have
here, the back. Nice little size. It is a little table, but still fine. And at least it's a little chair to put your feet up. I like that. And this is our room. And yes, we do have the oceanfront room.
another high-octane show. One show at 9:40.
So, just the right size for 7 days. And here's under the bed, and this is where you can store all your luggage. So there's plenty of room under there. And FYI, if you leave the balcony door open, the air shuts off and it gets hot in here quick, y'all. Real quick. The mirrors are already fogged up because I forgot to close the balcony door.
Please like and subscribe to Sawyer Shenanigans.